Upbeat music plays. The screen shows the Buy Smart logo. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make purchasing decisions that even your wallet will thank you for. Today, we're diving into a battle of the cameras that could make even the most seasoned photographers weep with joy, or confusion. We have the Panasonic LUMIX G7KS on my left and the Canon EOS R50 on my right. Let's see who's going to take home the title of Best Vlogging Camera, or at least the title of Best Camera to Take Awkward Family Photos. First up, let's talk about the price. The LUMIX G7KS is priced at $697, almost like it's saying, "Hey, I'm worth it." Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 is a steal at $679. That's right, you could save enough money to buy yourself a fancy coffee or a small island. So if you're looking for a deal, it looks like Canon is ready to take you on a financial vacation. Reviewers note that while the G7KS is slightly more expensive, they still find it to be a fantastic value for a mid-level camera with great potential. Next, let's talk image quality. The LUMIX G7KS boasts superb DSLM image quality without the bulk and weight of traditional DSLRs. Reviewers have praised its 16-megapixel sensor and high ISO performance, highlighting its top-notch 4K video capabilities. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 features a 24.2-megapixel CMOS sensor, which reviewers rave about for its spectacular video quality and strong performance. Both cameras are ready to capture your best moments, but the LUMIX might just be a little more forgiving on the scale. Now, let's roll into video capabilities. The LUMIX G7KS offers 3 unique 4K Ultra HD video pause and save 4K photo modes. Reviewers love its 4K video performance, noting its handling and autofocus. On the flip side, the Canon EOS R50 gives you 4K uncropped movies at up to 30 FPS and Full HD at 120 FPS. Its video capabilities are also highly praised, especially for beginners looking to improve their content quality. So, if you want to film your adventures, both cameras are ready to roll, but the Canon might just make you look like a professional while you film your breakfast. Let's talk autofocus. The LUMIX G7KS has fast and precise autofocusing with face and eye detection, which reviewers appreciate for its reliability. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 features dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with 651 AF zones, making it a favorite among users for tracking moving subjects. Reviewers have noted that both cameras excel in this area, making sure you never miss that perfect shot. Just don't ask them for directions. Finally, let's check out the creative features. The LUMIX G7KS is all about unwiring your creativity with integrated Wi-Fi sharing. Reviewers love how easy it is to share their art with the world. The Canon EOS R50, on the other hand, has advanced A+ assist, which helps you take great shots even in tricky situations. Users appreciate this feature, as it makes the camera user-friendly and encourages creativity. It's like having a personal cheerleader who's always got your back. Both the Panasonic LUMIX G7KS and the Canon EOS R50 receive high praise from reviewers, but for different reasons. The G7KS is admired for its impressive image quality and handling, while the R50 is loved for its beginner-friendly features and strong video capabilities. So which camera wins? Well, it depends. If you want a lightweight, compact option with great video features, the LUMIX G7KS is your buddy. But if you're looking for a camera that can track everything and make you feel like a pro, head over to the Canon EOS R50. Remember, folks, whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or your friend's questionable fashion choices, the best camera is the one that fits your style and budget. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below which camera you would choose and why. Until next time, happy shopping, and may your photos always be in focus.